Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix unable to turn off Do Not Disturb on iPhone. If you are using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that whenever you try to turn off or disable your Do Not Disturb mode, you cannot do this. So let's see how can you fix that. So the very first thing is that you just have to open your settings app. I recommend you have to go for general, go for software update and try to make a software update here. Once updated software, go back and scroll in control center, tap on Do Not Disturb mode. Tap on this settings option here. It will open in your settings. Just go back, select do not disturb mode from here, and here if you find any schedule or any people or apps, so you must have to select that. In my case, I have a schedule here. Simply tap on that and just disable this. Once you have disabled, go back, scroll down control center. Now try to turn it off. So here you can see I unable to uninstall it or turn it off. So now to fix that, you have to tap on it again. Just tap on these three dots here and then now tap on it. And here you can see it has been disabled. Now you can easily enable it or disable it whether you want to. So in this way, you can easily fix if you're unable to turn off your do not disturb mode. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.